If you're interested in learning Python by making a text adventure game, you might want to check out Make Your Own Python Text Adventure by Phillip Johnson. This was one of the first programming books I picked up whenever I was starting out, and I thought it'd be helpful to share it with you guys. While I'm talking, I'm going to show gameplay footage in the background so you can see what the final product is going to look like. The book is perfect for complete beginners who are new to programming and want to learn Python in a fun and practical way. It doesn't assume any prior knowledge, so if you never touched a line of code before, this is a great place to start. Each chapter introduces new concepts, guiding you closer to a completed game. At the end of each chapter, there are practice exercises to help reinforce what you've just learned. Plus, the book features customization points that encourage you to tweak the code so that you can make the game your own. Here's what you'll be doing and learning. You'll be installing Python on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, working with data types, variables, and functions, using lists, dictionaries, and 2D arrays, implementing loops, if statements, and exceptions. You'll be learning about classes and object-oriented programming, refactoring code for better organization, creating a domain-specific language for the game, and handling user input in modules. By the end of the book, your game will have some cool features like 2D grid-based movement, combat mechanics, healing items, and inventory management, and then weapons and trading. The only real issue I found is with how the code is formatted in the Kindle version. Sometimes it can be a little hard to follow. Fortunately, the author provides the complete code for each chapter on GitHub so you can refer to it if you get stuck. So if Make Your Own Python Text Adventure sounds like something you're interested in, you can grab a digital or physical copy from Amazon. I think it's a great resource for anyone looking to learn Python through game development. Thank you for watching.